Hello and welcome back to a special edition of Teacher Talks. Hey friends, check it out. We have the Captain Underpants 3D guide to creating heroes and villains. In today's video, we're going to walk through every single page of this little, I'm going to call it a book. It's kind of like a project book. We'll walk through every single page of it. I'll check it out and I'll even show you I made my first 3D picture on it. I'll let you take a look. For now, though, let's take a look at the front, the back, and let's talk about this guy just a little bit. All right, so there's our front right there. There's our spine of the book. Let's check out the back. Have you ever wanted to dream up your own hilarious heroes and villains, smelling villains, and vile smelling villains? Now's your chance. George and Harold are here to give you a step-by-step instruction on how to draw some of their coolest characters. They'll also share tips on how to create your own funny comic book heroes and villains and make them spring into action. All right, so here's some of the things that comes with it. So you got your drawing board there on the left, your 3D glasses, a wipe-off pen, and some stickers. There's a little bit more to it than that as well. Let's dive right in. Are you ready? This is kind of fun. When you open this thing up right here, it's sort of a hardcover, but it's held together by magnets, so it's kind of fun. And here we have ready to draw in 3D. Flip open this 3D board to get started. Now I'm gonna hold off on that for a second because I have a little surprise behind that one. And here's tra-la-la-la. All right, and here's what it looks like here. Here's our drawing and sticker book. And then here's our 3D glasses right here. Here is our wipe off with eraser pen. And it says how to create your own comics. All right, let's dive right in. How to use this awesome book. 1, carefully tear out your 3D mask. Don't rip it, okay? Customize your 3D mask with stickers from the sticker pad. Put on your mask anytime you see a 3D signal. Looks like that. You can also use your mask with the wipe off 3D board, that's the fun part, and extra drawing sheets in the back of the sticker pad that I'll show you to make your art come to life. Warning, some of the comic creations have been known to actually come to life, so keep your eyes open and your fingers ready to snap in case you need Captain Underpants. So fun! Okay, we'll go ahead, I'll read some of these pages to you, and a few of them we'll just take a look at. Hello, comic fans. Thanks for picking up your ultimate guide to creating awesome comic heroes and villains. This guide will help you dream up characters that will impress your classmates, amaze your friends, delight your family, and drive your teachers bananas. Hey, I'm a teacher. Don't worry, it won't drive me bananas. Now, this is a book that you might want to practice with at home, maybe at recess, but I don't think in the classroom. In 3D. In case you don't already know who we are, here's a quick intro. George, this kid on the left with a stylish tie and handsome flat top, that's me, George Beard. And the kid on the right with the striped t-shirt and bad haircut, that's me, Harold Hutchins. Remember that now. We've been best friends and neighbors forever. We're also both fourth graders at Jerome Horowitz Elementary. We're known around the town of PQ for our pranks. Remember that time someone TP'd Principal Krupp's car? That's us. Hee hee. Refrain from smiling. And the pranksters that TP'd the whole school? That was also the legendary George and Harold. But we're probably best known as the creators of the Treehouse Comics Incorporated. Together, we've come up with hundreds of amazing comics. We brainstorm all our comics together, then I write the words, and I draw the pictures. We love working together. Two creative brains always come up with much better ideas than one brain working alone. Tip: when you're using this book, grab a friend or a sibling, like your brother or sister, to help you brainstorm your heroes and villains. Trust us, it will be way more fun. Without a doubt, our greatest comic creation is the superhero Captain Underpants. We started writing stories about this guy a long time ago, and over the years we've created tons of comic villains for him to fight. Captain Underpants fights for truth, justice, and all that is pre-shrunk and cottony. But here's the crazy part. Captain Underpants isn't just a comic book character anymore. He's actually real, and his crime-fighting hero has helped us out some of our crazy situations. But before we tell you that story, we have to tell you this story. The story of how Captain Underpants came to life. So I'm not going to read every single page of this, guys, but I'll kind of show you here. There's Mr. Krupp. And so it gives you just a kind of a quick story like it does in all of the Captain Underpants books of how Mr. Krupp and Captain Underpants are kind of the same person, and they use that 3D ring. All right, now this is cool. First, try drawing George. So they give you that guide, and I'll tell you what, Teacher Talks is not a great artist. But you know what I can do? I follow the rules well, and I follow instructions well. So what I did is I did my best. I better be careful because I'm going to tell you that I drew this right here on our 3D board. We'll take a look. But I did my best. I think I did pretty good. All right, you ready to check it out? Here it comes. Tra-la-la-la. Well, I guess that should be the right song for Captain Underpants. But what do you think? Did I do a good job? All right, let's turn back to this page here and let's take a look. All right, I felt like the shoes, I think I did okay on the shoes. But anyway, pretty awesome stuff. Now, of course, if you put on the 3D glasses, which I can't do for the video, but if you did, then this would really come to life and George would be kind of popping out at you. Very, very cool stuff. And it almost looks like he's popping out right now, even without the 3D glasses, but I think the 3D glasses would really make him pop out. And then we could also do the same thing for Harold. And there is Captain Underpants himself. All right. So how do we come up with all the amazing villains of Captain Underpants squares off against? So that's the fun part. So again, I'm not going to read all this to you, but it's really, really cool stuff. And basically, they're kind of letting you know all these different villains that Captain Underpants has fought against in all these amazing books. And then they also encourage you to make your own villains and your own superheroes. Some more step-by-step drawing. Awesome stuff. All right, your turn. So you can make your own sign right here. You know how George and Harold are always changing around the letters to make the signs into something funny. And they give you some more tips, some words you can use, strengths and weaknesses of your superheroes and your villains. Some more interesting stuff about your superheroes and villains, the character's name, their strengths and weaknesses, their favorite foods, their favorite subjects in school, superpowers. All right, time to draw. So they give you some space here, and then this is really cool too. Then they give you some extra, whoops. I thought it was going to be the 3D paper. There it is. So this is that same 3D paper. So when you see this 3D paper, this 3D sign, that's when you put on the glasses, and then your drawings will sort of come to life. And then you can write your own story here, and they kind of give you a guideline, and you can write in the rest. Very cool. Hey friends, if you're a Captain Underpants fan, this is a must-have in my opinion. Very, very cool. All right, and then check this out, drawings and stickers. So here's all these stickers that you can put some on your glasses, you can put some on your pictures, and several pages of these awesome stickers. And I'm going to guess there's about 10 pages of stickers. And then as we get to the back, there's several pages of this 3D paper. So you could draw on these, cut them out, paste them around your room or wherever you can. Check in with mom and dad on that one. Very, very cool stuff. All right, friends, listen, that's going to do it for the review of this awesome book right here. And again, if you like Captain Underpants, I think this is an absolute grand slam, must have in my opinion. And if you don't have money for it, hey, ask mom and dad, can I do some extra chores? Maybe you have Christmas or a birthday or some other holiday that you celebrate coming up. But I know in my household, if you want to earn money, that's the word we use. Earn your money, do extra chores, be extra nice to mom and dad, your brothers and sisters. Maybe they'll let you go outside and rake the leaves for a few dollars. This one costs roughly $10 or $12, so it's not too bad. All right, friends, hey, get out there. Have an awesome day today. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.